Bibigyan kita ng 100 dirhams, magsabi ka ng flights from Abu Dhabi via Air Arabia destinations.
Tbilisi.
Tbilisi! Ang galing mo, ha? Anong country yung Tbilisi?
Georgia.
Yan! 100 dirhams! Congrats! Ikaw!
Istanbul, Turkey.
Yan! Congratulations! Magbigay ka na ng flights from Abu Dhabi via Air Arabia destinations.
Cairo.
Cairo, anong country yon?
Egypt.
Ayan! Ang galing mo, ha? Flights from Abu Dhabi via Air Arabia destinations.
Oman, Muscat.
Oh, galing mo, ha? Congrats! Flights from Abu Dhabi via Air Arabia destinations.
Tokyo, Japan.
Tokyo, Japan. Wala sa ngayon, pero malay natin next time. Soon, meron na ang Air Arabia. Sorry. Flights from Abu Dhabi via Air Arabia destinations.
Tashkent.
Ano yung country yun?
Uzbekistan.
Ano?
Uzbekistan.
Uzbekistan! Uzbekistan! Oh, tama ka! Congrats! Flights from Abu Dhabi via Air Arabia destinations.
Moscow, Russia.
Yan! Ang galing mo! Flights from Abu Dhabi via Air Arabia destinations.
Sa New Jersey?
New Jersey. Malay natin soon magkakaroon ng Air Arabia. Sorry! Flights from Abu Dhabi via Air Arabia destinations.
Salala, Oman.
Nakakarami na kayo, ha?
Book now and ease your travels with Pinoy Tourism!